When you go to school, it prepares you with the skills that you need to go out into the real world, but having a hands-on applied learning experience like this shows you what it takes to be a professional and how to carry yourself in this industry. The Itron signage project was introduced to me. My professor at the time, Travis, introduced me to it. It was to basically make a sign in honor of Itron's contributions to Eastern Washington University.
A project like this is important to students because it provides applied learning, but it also gives them experience working with a real client with real brand guidelines, real constraints.
What they wanted was something that would feel in line with their existing brand. And so that was it was a really fun challenge to figure out, okay, how do we make something that's creative and original that also upholds existing brand guidelines?
There's a lot of mock-ups, a lot of notes and Milanote, and a lot of meetings, kind of just us deciding where we wanted to go with it.
We incorporated using wood as a base to complement the catalyst building and the area surrounding it. And we used acrylic placed at different dimensions to create depth and texture within the sign as well.
For the mock-ups, we ended up using air-dry clay, plastic, foam, markers, paint. It was a multimedia project all around.
When you're a design student, a lot of the things you're doing are all things in theory. It was really rewarding and wonderful to see something that is so real and here and permanent. And I'm very proud to have been a part of that and been on that team.
I think I can speak for myself and also the girls that this project has been probably the biggest turning point in our student careers, as it opened so many different doors just by having that real world experience.
That just really helps with our careers in general.
It was so beneficial into getting my first job out of school.
It set the foundation for my confidence as a designer.